All right, guys. So I think this is the last time I'm going to buy Box Turtle and Bird. If you saw my other shorts, the first one, I got Clubhouse, and then the second one, I got Clubhouse and Friends. So I was pretty upset. So I went back to Lunchbox and bought the remaining ones they had. And let's see if I find the chase. So let's go with this one first. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we can get the chase. Let's see what we got here. First one. We have, which one is this? We got Pirates. We have Pirates. All right. Second one. Let's see. Come on, Chase. I need the chase. All right, that one's cute. That one is bath time. All right, chase, let's go. I thought I'll get the chase, but so far they have been good ones. And I got, all right, they're all different. And that one is movie night. Final one, is it Chase? Let's see. All right, here we go. And oh man, I'm nervous. All right, here we go. Oh, which one is this? Ford. Okay. Oh, wow. All right. So I got the whole collection. I have this one and Friends already. And I just got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, well, I completed the set, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.